Premier showing in prestigious Massapequa Shores waterfront. 3 houses, 2 open bay on deep wide canal. Home offers open floor plan with updated kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances. 9-foot center island, oak floors. Formal dining room with slider to patio and yard. Extended heated sunroom with great water views. Huge master bedroom with formal bathroom and closet. 60-foot bulkhead and floating dock IGS. Short stroll to Florence Avenue Beach and Anchor Park. Taxes reflect star savings of $1,265, flood only $777. Sale into view. Call Linda Lazio of Realty Connect USA at 516-353-2095.